फ्लाइंग ईगल वर्चुअल एकेडमी आपण मानक समस्त को फ्लाइंग ईगल वर्चुअल एकेडमी को स्वागत। आज आम नवम श्रेणी प्रथम पोएम फर्स्ट पोएम ऑफ क्लास 9 होम एंड लव से पोएम टी डिस्कशन करवा एवं तार बीट बाय बीट आलोचना करी जमती परीक्षा पाई आमे संपूर्ण भाव में निजक प्रस्तुत करिपरिबा एवं 100 रु 100 आमे उत्तर दे 100% आमे फलाफल पाइबा से प्रचेष्टा आमे आजिर शिक्षादान को आगे नवा। तेबे आरंभ करिबा प्रथम पोएम ऑफ क्लास 9 होम एंड लव। फर्स्ट पोएम टे कौन होम एंड लव। होम एंड लव। This is a poem written by Robert William Service. Robert William Service. He is a famous poet of English who was born in Preston, a city in England. He was born in Preston, which is a small town in the city of England, in the year 1874. He was born in 1874 and died in 1958. He had written 4 collections of poems, and all his poems are very simple but very heart-touching, because he has used very simple words which are felt in his day-to-day life. So here is a poem that we are going to read, that is Home and Love. Home and Love. Home and Love is the poem which is in class 9 English book. So let us start the poem of your English book in class 9, Home and Love. While reading the poem, I am going to read the poem aloud. I advise you all to open your books and listen to me carefully while I am reading aloud the poem. And you are advised to underline the difficult word, the word which you think is difficult for you to understand. So you are advised to underline the words, or you can note it down on your notebook, so that while explaining the poem, I will tell you about the meaning of the word and you can note it down on your notebook. Children, before going to discuss about the poem and going to read about the poem, I would like to draw your kind and careful attention to a very heart-touching line of Bhakta Kavi Madhusudan Rao, an Odia eminent poet. भक्त कवि मधुसूदन राव जने प्रसिद्ध ओडिया कवि थिले, जहाँ को आम भक्त कवि बोली जानू। तांकर गोटे कविता रो 2 धाड़ी मु पढ़ी सुनाऊँगी। सेठी होची ए होम एंड लव पोएम रो सारांश कहले चले। ताले सुनिबा से धाड़ीटी कौन वैकुंठ समान आहा अटे सेई घर परस्पर स्नेह जही थाए निरंतर सेई घर होची वैकुंठ समान वैकुंठ कहले विष्णुंकर वासस्थल विष्णु जो वास करती से वैकुंठ आमे जदि आम घरे स्नेह आदर जत्न एवं समस्त प्रकार बड़ हवाई दायित्वबोध आम गुरु गुरुजन पिता माता द्वारा आम पाऊ ताहले से घरटा आम हेब वैकुंठ भुवन बा स्वर्ग भुवन home and love. So I am going to read the poem aloud. You listen the poem carefully and underline the difficult words. Home and love. Just home and love. The words are small, 4 little letters onto each, and yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech. 2 more so tenderly complete when angels talk in heaven above. I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Just home and love. It's hard to guess which of the two were best to gain. Home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. No, each alone will seldom do. Somehow they travel hand and glove. If you win one, you must have two, both home and love. And if you have both, well then, I'm sure you ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor. With this to make divine your song. And so I praisefully repeat, when angels talk in heaven above, there are no words more simply sweet than home and love. Robert William Service. So I allow you a few minutes to read the poem silently, and while reading silently you can write the difficult words in your notebooks or underline the poem, the difficult words. पिलाने तमने देखिनियो नोट्स एंड ग्लोसरी रे केते गुडी वर्ड एवं तार मीनिंग्स देछ. फॉर एग्जांपल gracious, pleasant and sweet. Gracious means pleasant and sweet. Tenderly, it means gentle and caring feeling. Bitterness meaning is feels angry and resentful. Seldom means hardly or rarely, क्वचित. Hand and glove, that means they are very close to each other. Hand cannot be separated from glove, glove cannot be separated from hand. When I will explain the poem, I will discuss how they are related to each other. Then divine means the result from the action of God or goddess. Then angels, one of the spiritual beings that some people believe live with God in heaven and act as God's messengers. So these are the difficult words which may create some problem in understanding the poem. That's why it is given in the glossary notes and the glossary. It is given So, besides these words, difficult words, if you have any other words difficult to understand, you can also note it down. So now I will explain you the poem in details. Home and Love. Home and Love is a poem written by Robert William Service. This poem deals about our home, our sweet home and love. We are all born and brought up रे अर्थ होचे हमें लालित पालित होचे, nourished or nurtured. We are all born and brought up, हमें लालित पालित होचे at home with utmost love and affection. Also care and guidance by our elderly persons of the family, such as our parents, our grandparents, our uncle, our auntie, elder auntie, brothers and sisters and relatives. So they are the members of our sweet home. We all love our family members and we are tenderly nourished by our parents and others too. Home is the best place for everyone, where we get pleasure of life, happiness of life. So let us now discuss line by line the poem in details. The first line, just home and love, the words are small. The first line of the poem is just home and love, the words are small. You see, home and love, these are very small two words of small two words. These two are very small in size, having only 4 letters each. H-O-M-E, first, second, third and fourth. First, second, third and fourth. So there are how many letters? 4 letters. In home, 4 letters, and also in love, 4 letters. So these two are very small words, home and love, with 4 little letters onto each. उभय होम एवं लव ये शब्द दुईटी मात्र 4टी अक्षर रे गठित. They are formed or consist of only 4 letters, H-O-M-E home, L-O-V-E love. So these are 4-lettered words, home and love. And yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech. Although these two words, home and love, are very small words, but they give us a very wide माने क्या प्रशस्त and gracious range of speech. Gracious range means pleasant and sweet talks of our family members. Our father, our mother, they talk us in a very pleasant manner, in a very tenderly language. They never talk us in a using any hard language. They always use very tender languages, very appealing or happy or sweet languages. So the wide and gracious range of speech they are talking, their speech is very wide and very loving speech. We like their talking with us. सेमाने हमको स्नेह रे आदर रे कथा कहंती. तांकर स्नेह आदर एवं मधुर बाणी हमको आनंद प्रदान करे. हमको आम माँ धन रे बायाटा मो गेल्हा मो पप्पू बापा हमको धन रे मो बापाटा परा इत्यादि ये स्नेहपूर्ण डाक दे बा स्नेहपूर्ण कथा कही आम मन मोही था. आमको गला बेले आसला बेले से मैंने हसी हसी जाती. आमर मन रे आनंद दवाई से मैंने बहुत प्रकार खेलना आनी था. आमको खुशी दियंती, आमको गेल्हा करती. आम खाइला बेले जदि अमंग हो खाऊ न थाऊ आमको अनेक मीठा कथा कही गप कही लोरी शुणी आमको खाइबार बंदोबस्त कर दे था. तेणु आम बाप माँ एवं आम परिवार अन्य सदस्य जेजेबापा जेजेमा भाई भौणी समस्ते आमको स्नेह बड़ा कथा बा मधुर वचन कही था. टू मोर टेंडरली कंप्लीट से माने हमको जो कथा कहती से कथा गुड़िक अति जेंटल एंड केयरिंग फीलिंग्स. से जो कथा हमको कहती अति कोमल भाव अति मधुर भाव मधुर तांकर बाणी मीठा कथा एंड वेरी केयरिंग फीलिंग्स. तांकर आम प्रति यथेष्ट जत्न रही था. सो दे टेक utmost care of ours and also they talk in a very gentle and sweet manner. When angels talk in heaven above, I am sure they have no words more sweet. It is thought that there is heaven above, and in heaven gods, goddesses and the angels they live. Angels are the spiritual beings who are supposed to live in heaven with God and goddess, and they act as the messengers of God. So the angels, when angels talk in heaven, they talk about our home and love. What do they talk? They talk about our home and love. I'm sure means the poet says that I am completely sure that they have no words more sweet than home and love. They must have been talking about our sweet home, how pleasantly, how happily we live our life in our sweet home. Besides these talks, they have no more other talks. That is why the poet says, I'm sure, that means the poet Robert William Service was sure that they have no words more sweet than home and love. They must be talking about our sweet home. No other words they are talking about. Just home and love, it's hard to guess. Just home and love, it's hard to guess. Guess माने अनुमान करिबा, अंदाज करिबा. Home और love को आमे अनुमान करि परिबानी, अंदाज करि परिबानी, इमेजिन करि परिबा नाही. से शब्द दुईटार कौन मर्मार्थ भावार्थ कौन तात्पर्य रही what the meaning of those two words home and love carry that we cannot easily guess or imagine. Which of the two are best to gain? Out of these two words, home and love, which one is our option to get? Which one we want to gain? Which of these two best to gain? Out of these two words, home and love, you cannot get or you cannot gain the best one. Home and love. Home without love is bitterness. Home without love is bitterness. Bitterness माने कौन? Bitterness माने होची पित्ता तिक्त जहाको आमे सुनिले आम मनरे कष्ट हुए जंत्रणा हुए feels angry and resentful जोटा को आमे कहूचे resentful पिला माने तम माने सुनी थिबो जे अनेक समय रे गोटे गोटे परिवार रे किछि लोक तांको घर छाड़ी के पळै जाय काहे पळै जाय ना से घरे से सेतिकी स्नेह आदर जत्न तांकर गुरु गुरुजन पिता माता जेजे बापा जेजे मां को ठारो पाइबारे अवहेला प्रदर्शित हेइथिबारो से माने घर छाड़ी पळा for them home without love is bitterness. They leave the house, they leave the home, not house. House means the construction that is looking to you, that you see, the brick, the stone, the cement, the rod. Out of these you can make a house. That is a structure. But home is the place where we find our parents, grandparents, family members, brothers, sisters, uncle. They love us, they like us, they give us love and affection. That is called home. So, just home and love, it's hard to guess which of these two were best to give. Home without love is bitterness. तेणु पिला माने बुझी पाइलो जदि घर रे तमे स्नेह ममता आनंद पाइल नाही जदि घर रे तमे जत्न रे अभाव देखिल से घरटा तुमको पिता लागिबो सब बेले तुम ऊपर जने चिड़चिड़ी हबो तुम ऊपर विरक्त हबो तुम से घर सुख दब नहीं से घरटा तुमको बिटरनेस का पिता लागिबो sad feelings you will be angry and you will decide to go out of the home. So home without love is bitterness and love without home is often pain. Without home the love is there but there is no home. If you don't have a house to live in, even if you are getting lot of affection, love, care, everything from your family members, you will lament for your home or your house where you can be fully protected at the time of rain, summer, cyclone, flood. Your house will or your home will protect. Home means the structure, not the love and affection of your parents. You are getting love and affection from your parents, but you don't have your house. So the poet says, love without home is often pain. So even if you have a house or home, but even if you have got love and affection, but you don't have a house to live in, it is a painful thing for you. So home Without love is often pain. Love without home is often pain. Next line. Not each alone will seldom do. Home and love. Out of these two words, not a single word will seldom. Seldom माने कौन? क्वचित, rarely, scarcely. तुम दीटांक भितरो क्वचित तुमको गोटिए जदि मिलिबो कौन हबो? Not each alone will seldom do. से दीटा भितर गोटिए पाइले तुम काम हबो नहीं, तुम काम चलिबो नहीं, तुम मन खुशी हबो नहीं. घर अच्छी स्नेह ममता नहीं, स्नेह ममता अच्छी घर नहीं. You will not be happy. You will not be in a content mind. Somehow they travel hand and glove. Somehow they travel hand and glove. They means home and love. These two words, they travel together. They cannot be separated from each other. They are just like the two sides of a coin. They cannot be separated. If you get home, there is love hidden in it. And if you get love and affection in your home, the home is there also hidden in it. They cannot be separated from each other. So somehow they travel hand and glove. पिलामाने तुमने क्रिकेट खेल रे देखिथिबो जेतेबे विकेट कीपर बॉल को धरे ता हाथे ग्लोव्स पिनथाय ना नहीं. जेतेबे ग्लोव्स ता हाथे रे नथिबो बॉल ता जदी आसला खूब जोर बॉल आसुची ता हाथे रे माड हो. It will hurt his hand and will give him pain. तेणु से कोन करछि हाथे रे ग्लोव्स पिनछि. Gloves is a protection to his hand. Likewise, home and love, they are unseparated. They cannot be separated. They are linked to each other very closely. They are very closely related to each other. So, they cannot travel alone. If you win one, you must have two. By chance you got one, that means you got home, that means you love. Home and love both are achieved by you. If you get one, the other is supposed to be win by you. जदि तमे गोटे को पाई गलो धरि नियो तमे दीटा जाक पाई जाइछ. जदि घर जोठी स्नेह आदर अछि से भली घरटी पाई गलो तमे स्नेह आदर पाइलो. जोठी स्नेह आदर पाइलो सेठी घर नथाई भी तमरो मन रे दुख रहइबो नाही. Both home and love. If you win one, you must have two. Both home and love. जदि से दीटा भितर गोटे को भी पाई जाओ तमे दीटा जाक पाई जाइछ. Home and love both are at your reach if you get only one out of home and love. And if you have both, well then I am sure you ought to sing the whole day long. Suppose you have both, that means home and love, both these are in your reach, that means both are available with you. You will nothing to do, you will have nothing to do, only to sing, only to enjoy, dance, sing, because you are in a happy mentality. Your mind is in a happy situation. In a happy situation we generally sing and dance. So if you get home and love both, then you have no option but to sing and dance. So the poet says, if you have both, well then I am sure, I am quite sure, I am certain that you will sing. You ought to sing. Ought means should. You should sing the whole day long. Dinno sara तुम खाली गीत गाइबो, नाचिबो, खेलिबो, कुदिबो, काहेकि तुम मन रे आनंद भरपूर रही तुम आनंदर सीमा नहीं तुम खुशी रे नाचब गाइब से कवि कहते आई एम श्योर you ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor. With these to make divine your song. It does not matter whether you are poor or rich. You may be poor, but if you have both home and love, you are supposed to live in heaven. So you will derive utmost pleasure with these to make divine your song, and your song will be very very pleasurable at that time if you have got both home and love. With these to make divine your song. Divine माने कौन? स्वर्गीय heavenly. तुम्हारा गीतटा divine हिजबो, स्वर्गीय हिजबो, बा जहाँ को हमें कहबा the result of pleasure that is derived from the heaven or from the grace of God. भगवान कर बा ईश्वर को दयारु तुम्हें जदि आनंद रे रहिच सेटा होची स्वर्गीय सुख. So divine will be your song. तुम संगीतटा हे जीवो स्वर्गीय बा आनंदमय संगीत हे जीवो. And so I phrasefully repeat. So I means not myself. The poet Robert William Service. Here I refers to Robert William Service, the poet. And so I phrasefully repeat. That means the poet feels praise to repeat the line that home and love, where the angels talk in heaven about home and love. I repeat, मु एक कथा दोहराइबा को चाहूची अति आनंदर सहित बा अति प्रशंसार सहित मु एक कथा दोहराइबा को चाहूची कोन जे स्वर्गरे स्वर्गदूत माने परी माने से माने हमर एई स्वर्गीय आनंद भरा संगीत विषय रे ही कथा होतबे आ किछ कथा होनथिबे. से माने भाबुथिबे अरे मर्त्य भुवन रे मनीष पुणी एते आनंद रे अछि, गीत गाउछि, नाचुछि, खेलुछि, कुदुछि कोन पई? Because of the two things that are in his reach. What are they? Home and love. So I praisefully repeat. Repeat माने कोन? दोहराइबा, बारंबार कहबा. आगरु थरे कहिथिले कवि से कथा से कहउछंती when angels talk in heaven above. Heaven ala स्वर्ग. We think that the angels they live in heaven. They are the messengers of God and they are the spiritual beings. They talk about heaven in above. They talk about our home and love. There are no words more simply sweet than home and love. So what they are supposed to talk about? They have no option to talk about besides these two words, home and love. दीटा कथा तांको मन को छुईची. कौन से दीटा? home and love. ए दुईटा छोड़ा, ए दुईटा शब्द छोड़ा से आउ किछि कथा हो नथिबे. The poet feels that they must not have any other talk besides these two, home and love. So the poet here in the last stanza gives stress gracefully and repeat that the angels in heaven they have no other words to speak but the home and the love. So here the poem is finished with its complete explanation. Let us go to some more activities. Let's understand the poem बेटर आमे कविता को बा पोएम को केमिति बुझीचे किभଳି भाबे आमे तो हृदयंगम करिचे हाउ फार वी हैव अंडरस्टूड द पोएम इन ए बेटर मैनर सेही कथा को टेस्ट करिया पई लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द पोएम which words are important in the first line of the poem first line रे पोएम रो फर्स्ट लाइन रे कोन अछि just home and love the words are small ए होछि फर्स्ट लाइन ता देरे को कवि कहउचंती दुईटा शब्द which words are important in the first line of the poem कवितार दुईटी इंपोर्टेंट शब्द प्रथम धाड़ी रे कोन दुईटी शब्द रहिछि जोटा होछि अति गुरुत्वपूर्ण शब्द गोटे होछि होम आ गोटे होछि लव सो द आंसर इज home and love are the two important words in the first line of the poem. Okay, number 2. Which two words are the sweetest according to the poet? The same two words. Home and love are the sweetest words according to the poet. Do you think that meanings of home and love are very wide and gracious? Discuss. Yes, the meaning of home and love, they are very wide and gracious. Why? Why do you think home and love are very wide and gracious? Gracious means generous. Our parents, our grandparents, our family members, they speak in a very pleasant or happy manner with us. They talk very tenderly, very softly. Samane very swiftly. Very sweetly means भारी मीठा कथा मीठा बाणी हमको से सुनाती हमको से एमिति भाषा प्रयोग करती एमिति कथा कहती जो थे आम मन को से किणी नियंती माँ बापा आम कौन कहती धन रे खाईदे बापाटा परा मो कथा शुण केबे कहती धमकेकरी आमको अति कोमल भाव अति सरल भाव सफ्टली आमको व्यवहार करती कथा कहती से home and love are very wide and gracious. How many times does the poet repeat home and love? You see, the poet repeats the word home and love 5 times in the poem. You can locate them. Home and love in the first line of the poem. Then I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Second, then just home and love. Third, then home and love in the another 2 places. So 5 times the poet has used home and love. How does the sweetness of home link up with love? How does the sweetness of home link up with love? Number 5. Tenderly, complete, gentle and caring feeling. कोमल मधुर बाणी प्रयोग करी से हमको सुख देथांती. How does the sweetness of home link up with love? The sweetness, the sweet talk in a very tender manner, in a very soft and sweet manner, link up with love. Love without home is death. Love without home is pain. Number 6. Can we separate home and love? Definitely no. We cannot separate home and love. They are just like hand and glove. They cannot be separated from each other. Both are linked very closely. When do you sing the whole day long? when you gain or when you get both home and love, you will sing the whole day long. When angels talk in heaven above, when they see you have won home and love both, and you are in a happy mood, you are you are singing with divine song for the whole day. You are singing because you are in happy or pleasurable mood. What do you lack? What do they lack? Sorry, what do they lack? They means the angels. They lack home and love. What we are getting here in the world, home and love, they are lack माने तांकर से अभाव रही, तांकर सेटा नहीं, तांकर घर नहीं, तांकर स्नेह ममता आदर जत्न से माने पांति नहीं. सेति पई ईश्वर मध्य अवतार नहीं अनेक समय रे मनुष्यर स्नेह आदर पाइबा पई राम अवतार रे कृष्ण अवतार रे समाने जन्म होइचंती. माने पुराण शास्त्र रो सुनिथिबो. Let's appreciate the poem. Number F. No, the poet compares home with love. Does he find one other than the other? No, he does not find one other than one is better than other. If you get one, you must have two. What does the line, the wide and gracious range of speech convey? The wide and gracious range of speech convey that we get very pleasant and sweet home, as well as a gentle and caring feeling that have no end to it, that are ample to get in our family at home. Which ideas do the angels discuss in heaven? The angels discuss in heaven the sweet and happiness at your home. Number 4. Why does bitterness arise? Bitterness arise when you are deprived of getting love, affection, care and all that is expected from your family members. तुम परिवार रो तुम्हें जहाँ सब स्नेह आदर ममता एवं मधुर कथा जहाँ आशा करिछ जेतेबेले से जिंस न पाओ सेतेबेले तुमको परिवार पिता लागे. When does one have a winning position? When does one have a winning position? Number 8. One has a winning position when we get both home and love. Number 6. What are the 3 important words in the last 2 lines of the which convey the poet's ideas? Those 3 words are sweet, home and love. Number 7. What message does the poet have who have both home and love? The poet carries the message for those who have both home and love. They are the happiest persons in the world because they have both home and love. As a result, they sing the whole day long. Then come to activity 2. Activity 2. Read the poem aloud and read it silently over and over again and remember the lines. बारंबार कविता को पढ़ मने मने पाटी न करी मने मने पढ़ एवं कविता को भल करी बुझ तापरे उत्तर को कहबा. Given below are few lines from the second stanza in the poem, but some words are missing. What are they? The missing words without looking at the stanza. Home without love is dash. Home without love is bitterness. Number 2, love without home is often dash. Love without home is often pain. Somehow they travel dash. Somehow they travel hand and glove. Then activity 2. Activity 2, dash is a place where angels talk. Heaven. Heaven is heaven above. You can write heaven above. Heaven above is a place where angels talk. Love can seldom exist without home. Then the last one, home and love are sweet because they contain home, the wide and gracious range of speech. The gentle and careful feelings, the pleasant and sweet talk of our family members, our parents, our grandparents, our family members, brothers, sisters, etc. So here the poem and with all the activities are completed. There is one more activity. Let us do some activities. A short description. You can write a short description with these words given. So there are some words given. You can read it, and using those words you can write a short passage. We are born from our parents and live at home with lots of love and affection. एठी आमे पाइले गोटे कोन वर्ड love and affection. We play games and sports with our friends. Games and sports अछि ताकू आमे यूज करी गोटे लाइन लिखिले कोन, we play games and sports with our friends. Then childhood को नहीं गोटे लाइन लिखो, our childhood games and sports with our friends give us pleasure. And the love and affection से वर्ड की व्यवहार करी हम लिख ले, love and affection from our parents and relations give us sweetness of life or pleasure of life. We are happy to live happily with our parents and relations with love and affection. I love my sweet home. By using the word sweet, you can write I love my sweet and
like, comment, and subscribe.